Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. One of the tools that I find is not used very often is campaign groups in Google Ads, and it is very useful when you have a lot of campaigns in your account and you need to kind of figure out performance across different groups of campaigns, hence the name, obviously. I'm just going to show you quickly today how you can create those in different use cases and how those can be useful in those situations. So first of all, you can, of course, already sort campaigns by campaign type. And by type, in this case, I mean what it shows: search, performance, max, display, app, or what have you. That's already built in, so you can organize your campaigns that way. But with groups, you can then further refine the way you organize those, noting you can only do it, you can only add one campaign to a group, so you can't have like multiple different ways to organize. You have to kind of pick one. But what we would use the most common would be location. So if you had, like 50 campaigns in your account, and you were targeting, 4 different countries, you could then set up campaign groups by country. Another way to do it is by campaign type. And in this case, I don't mean whether it's search or display, but rather it could be categorized by like branded targeting or like branded keywords versus non-branded, for example. Or you could break it out by different services you offer. So maybe you have like 5 campaigns for one service and 4 campaigns for another service. You could build campaign groups for those. And then the last one is goal-based, where you can either organize campaigns into groups by the goal that's associated with those, or just a general goal. And usually when you do that, you would also have those campaigns organized with portfolio bidding that's shared, and also potentially a shared budget, although that's not really mandatory. So those are kind of the uses for these. But the main benefit of doing this is by being able to view a campaign group, you can then look at your numbers, for that group very easily instead of trying to cobble things together in spreadsheets. And the other thing I will say is that most reporting systems, like third-party tools, do support campaign groups as well. So you will be able to get that reporting into a Slido or other tools like that. So basically now it's really simple to create a new campaign group. You just select the relevant campaigns, click on edit, and add to campaign group. In this case, I don't have a campaign group. So I'm just going to call this test group. And the other thing you can do now is you can actually set a performance target. And we have to add one, and we will say number of conversions, and we will say we want it to be greater than or equal to 50. All right, and that's done. And so here's the performance target, greater than or equal to 50, and we will save that group. And Google's really slow today. And then you can actually view performance plans for these and do a number of other things with them. So I'm just going to pull up that group. And you'll see now these campaigns are organized by group and they're totaled and everything. So that's basically all there is to it. There are a few other features involved with this, but this is the core functionality that most folks use and what we use at my agency. So hopefully if you have a large, complicated account, this will help you kind of rein that in, get a little more organized, and help with your reporting. That's it for today. I will see you next time.